Okay, so today we're going to share kind of waste tire with plastic to the working process, and the certificate depends on our 3D video and our catalog. Well, if you're interested in this kind of equipment, you can leave your questions in the comment section, or other information you need to know, you can contact with us. Okay, well, this is the twin rope, one of the manufacturer of the waste tire, waste plastic pyrolysis equipment. On the different raw materials, like we can process the waste tire, waste plastic, oil sludge to the pyrolysis plant, and to transport this kind of flue oil into the non-standard diesel. And what technique we use, and what is a different working process we will introduce. If you're interested in this kind of business, you can leave your questions to us. Okay, thank you for watching today. This is Twin Rope. We are the manufacturer. Our factory is in Jiaozuo City, Henan Province in China, and our factory is in Zhengzhou. Our company is in Zhengzhou. To show you about the distillation plant. This is the new design. To give about this first, and later we will show you about what raw material we can use and what final products we can get. This is the new. And then to go into the different device we will introduce later. This is the reactor. The conduction oil furnace, which is equipped with a 400,000 calorie burner to heat the conduction oil. And this is the circulating water system that will liquidize the oil. This is the reactor, which is equipped with same as the furnace with a 400,000 calorie burner and a tail gas burner. And the gas will just come out. First, they will go into the buffer tank. The filter inside is the blower ring that is to prevent the pot from flowing and reduce the gas flow rate. Don't enter the catalytic tower, which is controlled by a valve. They will go into the cooling system and then be collected into the first oil tank. This is the diesel we can get. And the uncondensable gas will return to the furnace for heating. They will use to heat the reactor. Will return to the furnace for heating. They will use to heat the reactor. Power. We have two kinds of power. We have two kinds of the catalyst. Inside this is no gas passing through the catalyst will directly come out at the diesel oil, which is condensed into the oil through the condensers and collected in the second oil tank. Same as the uncondensable gas will return to the reactor. Well, if you want to get the lighter oil gas or the diesel oil, you can also equip it with a white clay decoloring tank, which is a spare part. First, we will use the negative pressure system. This is a vacuum pump to pump out the air inside the conduction oil. And then the white clay will just go into this tank. Then we will open the motor to mix up the oil for about half an hour, and then we will pour the oil into the blade filter to fill out the white clay. The white clay will just circulate it continuously in the white clay tank and the blade filter to just refine them, to use to clean the clay, which is makes to refine the oil quality better. And then the oil will just go to the final tank, the big oil tank. This is the final product that we get. And then we will use the air compressor, which is the sulfurization tower, to remove the sulfur dioxide, and equipped it with the standard water filmed dust system to remove the dust inside. This is a spraying tower. Also, we call it the sulfurization tower. Okay, this is the 3D video. This is a working process of our distillation plant. Well, if you have any questions, to tell us your WhatsApp, your email, or contact place, then our sales manager will contact with you immediately and give you our brief introduction of just our detailed information like our catalog, our price list, and the certification plan. Look at this. Well, the raw materials we use and oil yield, like what raw materials we can use about the distillation plant to get the diesel, is the pyrolysis oil. The pyrolysis oil is with tire, with plastic, and the second part is the liquid oil sludge. We can use this distillation plant to refine them, and the used engine oil, lube oil, motor oil, crude oil is also very common raw materials we can use. Video we told them just show you before. And we have two kinds of the distillation technique. The first one is the new catalytic technology waste oil to diesel plant. The second is the cost-effective waste oil and distillation plant. We will use another technique. We will show the differences between this later. Like the old one, we will use the acid and the alkali, and the new one we use the catalytic. It's kind of different. We will show you later. And let's say about the brief introduction distillation plant. The high efficiency, we will use the high speed for heating system, the double heating system, that the heating time is about 20, have a high working efficiency, and also we equipped it with the PLC system and the automatic system to fully control this, because of different kinds of the oil, we can all use the same distillation plant. And this is the details of our technique. You can see there's a 3D layout. It includes here is the faster heating system. We use the conduction oil. And then the distillation reactor, we have two reactors to refine the diesel. Then a buffer tank to slow down the speed, catalytic tower to have the reaction, and also if you need a larger one or smaller one, you can contact with us. We have different type. Or the smallest one is a frame type. It's very easy to installation and don't need to install them in your workshop. You can just after transport to the workshop, you can just start the business right now. This one is cost-effective, easy to install, energy-saving, and frame construction. But we'll use the catalytic. But the catalytic maybe is kind of expensive. So just depends on your requirements, depends on your materials, your regions you start this business. We will just suggest you to have a different type. This is the details of the equipment, almost the same. And this is the third type. Also, it's cost-saving, the cheapest equipment, and easy handling test available. So some of the experiment, some of the college will buy this to just have experiment or have a test of the oil like this. So you can see this tip. Our engineer team can customize your proper solutions based on your actual needs to maximize your benefits of our equipment. First, the main final product is the diesel, the heavy machinery, generator, blower, and the second is the asphalt for paving or refinery. And let's see about the profit analysis of the 5 ton per day waste oil to diesel plant. Just for reference, because we have different customers in different regions and the prices is different. We kept this is to tell you like this. You can have a reference. Well, if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section, or any other information, any other comments you need, you can contact with us. The heating fuel consumption, well, it's limited. It's not very more of the consumption, because we can just reuse the uncondensable oil during the production. And the water and electricity consumption, the water are all circulating, so there are no more waste. And the consumption of the water, most of them is the electricity waste. Catalytic, this is much more expensive type, but you can just buy in the local market or so this is a small scale of the distillation plant, the scheme 1, the tire plastic plant, and the distillation plant. We have 2 type for your requirements. This is a customer's plant that will just deliver to England. And I forgot this, but we have our customers in more than. This is a middle or big scale of the plastic to diesel plant. The daily capacity for 1 ton per day, 2 ton per day, 5 ton, 10 ton, 12 ton, 15 ton, and 20 ton. It's a big processing capacity, and it's very time and labor saving and multiple use. And by the way, we have this the plastic to process them into the plastic pyrolysis a few weeks ago, just maybe next week or next week. This is the another type, and other supporting equipment, the tire packing and packing machine, as this to pack the with tire or rubber powder, and the carbon black grinding machine is to transport. And this is the carbon black briquetting machine, and to set them into the carbon black bowl. Automatic tire running machine cutter. Tire running cutter is to first cut the tire into the small parts, small particles, and then we will use a grinder to pressure cases. And in Africa, in abroad, more than 120 countries we have our customers. So it's very convenient for you to visit our project cases and to have a detailed know about this, to know how to control the type and our quality, our working efficiency, and so on. Here is a customer feedback. A customer in India. That's a good feedback to our engineer. That's hardworking, complete the whole installation work only 20 to 25. Successful implementation. And this is a American customer putting trust in doing a helpful, competent sales agent. Okay, and let's go to come to see. This is the profile of our company. We are the comprehensive environmental equipment manufacturer, integrating technological design, research and development, machine production, sales, and after-sales service in one. We rely on excellent technology R&D strengths and innovation spirit. Our company has worn up to 23 annual daily renew of the patent, and our company is honored as the National High Technology Enterprise Award by the Multiple Science and Technological Commission. Our main business, like the solid waste, hazardous waste, ingredient equipment, and with tire, plastic, oil, sludge. And today we're going to share this about the waste tire to waste. It's just to pyrolysis oil plant and the pyrolysis. Here is our the service. We have the pre-sale service, on-sale service, and after-sale service in one. For the pre-sale service, you can visit the factory production workshop, one-to-one equipment configuration plan, and plan to the equipment placement site. Just you can directly huge knowledge of the detailed technique, and they often go to our product cases to see about the details of the production line. And on-sale service is check the production conditions of the machine and communicate to the progress of equipment manufacturing. Now, after-sale service, the 1-year warranty and guide equipment installation and commission, the technology final installation and the working. Okay, and let's see about the differences between the different installation machine. Like we have two types. This is the 3 generation, but it's most of the type. The new design is the catalytic tower design, and then this old one is the acid and alkali. So let's see about the advantages and the disadvantages. Can you see this very clearly? You can just see this. We will introduce you later. Or if you want to get your WhatsApp, your email, your contact number, send us. Then our sales manager will contact with you and give you this detailed introduction. The first generation, we use the horizontal reactor. Well, now the new catalytic we use is the acid and the alkali, but the disadvantages. The first is directly heating make the reactor life short. Will just have influence of the reactor, and only heat from the bottom. The heating area is not enough, so it's inefficient. One day couldn't finish one batch. And then the horizontal design is difficult to slag off the bitumen, the asphalt. Just also we call it asphalt. So just very difficult to clean them. And they use acid and alkali every day. So there is disposal of acid and alkali sludge every day. It generates to the second time pollution. So we use the second generation. It's the vertical condensers. So the indirect heating makes the reactor long service life. The first heating system is the coil pipe circulated with the reactor, bigger than the directly heating from the bottom. Just why we use the vertical condensers, not the horizontal condensers. Hi there. You can speak English, or if you are interested in this equipment or the business, you can send a private message to us. Our sales manager can contact with you and give you our catalog. It's lagging out from the vertical reactor, and white clay purifying system makes a fine clay every day. So there is a disposal of the acid and alkali sludge for the second pollution. And now we use we will refine our equipment to the third generation. The vertical condensers with the solid catalyst in the catalytic tower. So the advantages of this type is direct heating makes the reactor longer lifespan, and first heating system is the coil pipe circuit with a reactor. The special heating transfer oil inside the coil pipe used to heat the reactor, so the heating area is much more bigger than the directly heating from the bottom. The one day can finish one batch, no matter 510 or 1510. And the asphalt is easy sliding out from the vertical reactor, and the white clay purification system used to final production better color to be more clear, and used the special solid catalyst. A 1 ton catalyst can process 710 oil. The disposal stay one discipline is a little bit expensive than the first or second generator, because the catalyst is more expensive. So here is the different type. Well, if you have any questions, if you can speak English, can type in the comment section, or you can leave your requirements to us privately. Tell us your WhatsApp, email, and your requirements. Our sales manager will contact with you immediately to give you our introduction. Okay? Hello everyone, Diesel. If you are interested in this business, you can contact with us. Here is the twin rope. Languages, and I transport them to English. Have you say that you need our catalog? I'm not sure. Well, if my transportation is not very correct, you can send your requirements to us privately to talk with our sales manager. More convenient. Okay, and this is the differences between the old type and the new type. Well, here is a brief introduction of our distillation plant. Let's see about this. We can send this catalog to you, or if you for you, give you the purification plant or the 3D layout, the layout of the business of the reactor. Here is the brief introduction of the distillation plant, and is a special design for refining a black oil. Well, this whole refining process includes distillation, decoloring, and the deodorant system. The final diesel deconduction could be used as alternative fuel in diesel burner generators, heavy machinery, and the agricultural machinery, and so on. So generally, the diesel yield is about 80 to 85, and OU distillation machine mainly have two types of the processing design. So one is acid alkali refining process, and another is a new catalytic, the solid catalytic distillation process, which is much more safe to have this production, and there are no second pollution during the production line. With a complete purification and models, our OU distillation machine can realize the grain and resource cycling to the. Here is the introduction of the products, the final products and application. Hi, sir. I'm not sure if you are in our live show now. My assistant have just give you the reply. You can see. If you have more questions, you can send a private message to us. Tell us your contact number. Send a private message to us. Tell us your contact number. We will just give you our introduction, the detailed introduction. This is the semi-continuous type. Smaller one, you can be customized. The capacity, just the same as the model. And the heating temperature, we use the direct heating with a fast heating system. This is an optional device, whether you can use the conduction OU or not. Just can hold. The heating flue will use natural gas, coal, wood, but from the next few hours, land occupy size. It's for maybe 20 to 30 square meters with 10 to 15 rows and 20 to 25 lengths. And now, the diesel is a non-standard diesel. We can use at the agricultural machine like this. The agricultural machine or the heavy machine, the generator, or most of customers will use at the ferry, boat, generator, mining machine. This is application of the diesel. We can't use at cars, but if yours will get the diesel. But most of the waste quality can't reach to the quality to use at cars. If you need some other information, you can contact with us. Our sales manager can contact with you and send you our catalog, our detailed kilometers, and our price list. And this is the distillation plant. We also have our pyrolysis plant to get. For the pyrolysis plant, we have three types. The batch type pyrolysis plant. Okay, wait a minute. Because we can't talk to you directly. This is the batch type pyrolysis plant. We have three batch type pyrolysis plant. We have three types of the pyrolysis system. The batch type is for one batch, 1 day, and the second one is the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, which is have 3 batch for 2 days, for different raw materials, different requirements, different capacity. The fully continuous one is the highest, and this is more larger, can process more raw materials every day. The biggest capacity is in just the 50 ton per day. Yeah, you can go to the home page. Okay, or any other page. Okay, or any other information you want to know, like I want to know more, like the batch type or fully continuous. Okay, and let's see about the 3D video of the pyrolysis plant and the distillation plant. Okay. Can you see now, sir? Can you see our WhatsApp email in the comment section? You can contact with us by this WhatsApp, or if you have email or WeChat. Okay, here is the distillation plant 3D video. Very beginning. The new distillation plant, to use a catalytic, we will use the double heating system. The heating time is about 20 hours. The fast heating system can save nearly 10 hours by using this conduction oil. This is by just go through the high slot, while the high tank is used to give the oil impulse that can first go to the whole production line. The conduction oil will first reach to the reactor to this is the conduction oil furnace to heat the conduction oil heating cooling system. That there are no water pollution during our production. All the water are circulated to liquidize the gas, to liquidize the fuel to the diesel. And then this is a reactor equipped with a 400,000 calorie burners and a tail gas burner. That part inside is the coiled is the conduction oil, and then just at the very beginning, and part of the to prevent the pot from falling and reduce the gas flow rate. Then they will go into the condensation tank and first to store in the first distillation pot. And then with the temperature rise gradually, the gas began to produce, and this is a diesel, the non-standard diesel. Well, in order to protect the catalyst, we designed to the previous section of the gas will not enter the catalytic tower, which is to control by a valve. You ask our sales manager and our engineers were convenient and to get more information. And then this is the diesel, but this is different market, like they're strict maybe in America, in the Europe, but maybe in Africa or some other continents, not very strict to have this standard. So I can ask our sales manager to get more clear about different market, different just regions, they have different policies to have this. Okay, and this is the purification system, an optional device to use the white clay to, and also we equipped it with different purification system. Will reach to different standard of different regions that can no pollution of this production. Because in different regions, like in different provinces in China, there are different policies to equip. We need to equip it with different purification system, like different desulfurization tower. This is the blade filter that have removed the white clay. Then after production, we need to clean the white clay by using this system. Okay, our live show will have an end in maybe 5 minutes. So more convenient contact ways you can tell us. You can send a private message to. Here is the distillation plant. Let's see about the differences between the new technique. We have 3 generations, but now we only have the second generation, third generation. This is used the acid and alkali, and this is used the solid catalytic. That is more environmental friendly and more high efficiency. If you need this catalog, you need this plant, you can just contact with your sales manager. Our factory is in Jiaozuo City, Henan province in China, and occupy South Africa. Okay, just more convenient to contact with our Africa's just manufacturer. Africa's just sales manager and their factory in these countries. Or if you want to come here to see our factory, see our technique, need to ask our sales manager to if there are any cages that's convenient for you to visit. Then you can just visit there to get more clear about the technique and the working process. You can also send your raw material to our factory. We have a free service to test about your materials and to have to see is it the quality of the final products to reach to the standard, and the distillation, the rate, the oil yield, and so on. Okay, then if you need some other information, you can. The name of the customer, well, it's not very convenient to see in the live show, so you can send a private message to us. Okay. Let's see about some cases. This is our sales manager in South Africa, a distillation plant, and this is the pyrolysis plant. Another customer. Here is a distillation. Oh my God, something wrong. Okay. Like this is the working process to recycle the waste tire to the. And this is the distillation plant. Here is this is the reactor, the white one. and this customer uses the solid catalytic to refine the diesel. And let's see some other working process. Because our company is set up in 2011, and in the very beginning of the years, most of our customers is from Africa. Here's Nigeria. We have our subsidiary company. Okay, so this is today's live show. If you have any questions, welcome to contact with our sales manager. Thank you for watching today. I'll wait maybe 1 minute. If there are no more comments, then it's time to say goodbye. Capacity. Here's in South Africa. We have seen. Okay, that is. So thank you for your watching today, and welcome to contact with us. We are doing rope, a manufacturer in Henan province in China. Welcome to come to our country, come to our factory, or to come to our project cases to